on, homies? Welcome to another video. Today, as you read, is a life in my day as an entrepreneur, as a small business owner. So it is 5:40 in the morning. We've got a lot of work to do. I got this throat thing going on, so we have a little bit of decaf black coffee. We got a lot of work we got to get done. We got 8 miles today. We've got a workout today. We've got a hiking trip with some friends. We have some more work to do. We have client calls. We have devotional. So it's going to be a crazy day. Right now, I'm going to go get on the computer, get some work knocked out before devotion at 7 a.m. So see you then. All right, guys. Got a bunch of work done. Devotion is done. We went through Hebrews 11. It was dope. And now we're waking up Haley. Mama's working today. So it's a stay-at-home daddy day, which makes today even busier. And here we are. Oh, hello, Haley. I like to sit in her crib with her when she first wakes up. It's fun. All right, guys, productive morning so far. We got a YouTube video updated. We've got a recipe up for the Mel's Kitchen app. Tech guy came and worked on our Wi-Fi. We're having like crazy Wi-Fi issues, so I'm so glad that's fixed. Haley's been fed, and it's time to go to the gym. We've got 8 miles and a HIIT workout, so we're gonna knock that out now so we don't have to deal with it later. So let's go get that done. All right, homies, just got done with a run and a workout. Times are posted there. Have to go drop off my iPhone 11, the one that I traded in to get this beautiful gym. So we're gonna go do that right now, and then we gotta get home and feed Haley and feed myself. So I'm really craving fatty food. So we decided to do some chicken wings, brisket, keto brick, raw bone marrow. Y'all, highly underrated. Olive oil, salt, crazy for recovery, stem cell therapy. I actually really have come to enjoy this. I know it's odd, but whatever. Some aged cheese, some pecan spread, and yogurt. And we're about to smash all of this right now. So like I said, this is one of the days where Ashley's working, and so I'm also stay-at-home dad mode. And so now I have a work meeting in like 2 hours. So we're gonna spend the next hour and a half or so just hanging out, spending some time with her, gonna work on some things, just have some fun and have some quality daddy and daughter time. So that's what we're doing right now. All right, so I have a business meeting coming up. Haley is asleep. On the days that she is with me, when she takes naps, it is full throttle business, man. I'm running through podcasts, I'm editing. Most of the time, when you hear a podcast come through, that was recorded and posted during a nap. So just rest assured that if you get a podcast, not only are you getting quality information, but you're also getting the reassurance that Haley is getting proper nap time. So just between you and me. What's up, guys? All right, so literally just got done with all that business stuff, and now we are making patties, not just for me, not just for Haley, but the amazing Mary Daniels. She's here. We just got done having the most amazing interview. It will be up soon. If it's up, it won't be up by the time this goes up. But when it does go up, I'll put it in the link in the description. You can go watch it. So you have to come back to this video and watch it twice, which is fine. So just cooking up some patties and stuff, and I have a group Q&A live at 7, and then that will wrap up a full, amazing, productive day. All right, guys. So we are cleaning up the living room and the kitchen. We are getting ready for bed. But that's a day. So we got a bunch done, got some business interviews done, ate a bunch of delicious food, hung out with Haley, got an 8-mile run in, a workout, 5 a.m. till 9:30 p.m. This is the day in the life of an entrepreneur. See you in the next one.